Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're taking a closer look at SiteW.com, a website builder that offers a variety of features for creating and managing your online presence. While the platform presents itself as a comprehensive solution, it's important to delve into the specifics to determine if it's the right fit for your needs. SiteW allows users to construct websites through a drag-and-drop interface, simplifying the design process for those less familiar with coding. This visual approach can be particularly appealing to beginners, offering an intuitive way to arrange elements and customize the look and feel of their site. However, this ease of use sometimes comes at the expense of advanced customization options that more experienced users might desire. Furthermore, it's worth exploring the pricing structure of SiteW, as different tiers unlock varying levels of functionality and storage capacity. One of the key aspects to consider when evaluating any website builder is the level of control it provides over the final product. While SiteW boasts a user-friendly interface, it's crucial to assess whether it allows for the implementation of specific design elements or functionalities that are essential for your project. For example, if you require intricate integrations with third-party services or highly specialized plugins, you'll need to determine if SiteW supports such features. It's also beneficial to investigate the platform's SEO capabilities, as optimizing your website for search engines is vital for attracting organic traffic. Understanding how SiteW handles aspects like meta descriptions, URL structuring, and mobile responsiveness will be crucial for maximizing your online visibility. Finally, exploring the customer support offered by SiteW is a prudent step before committing to the platform. A responsive and helpful support team can be invaluable when encountering technical difficulties or needing guidance on specific features. Researching user reviews and testimonials can shed light on the quality of customer support provided by SiteW. By carefully considering these factors, ease of use, customization options, pricing, SEO capabilities, and customer support, you can make an informed decision about whether SiteW.com is the right website builder for your individual needs. Remember to check the description for helpful links related to SiteW.